Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by powering on your Xbox Series X and pressing the Xbox button to open the guide. This gives you immediate access to console controls. Once done, make sure you're signed into the profile whose notifications you want to change, because notification rules are per account. From the guide, go to Profile and System, then Settings, and open the General category. These first steps are essential because they place you inside the menu tree where notification toggles live. Now you drill into Notifications, sometimes labeled Notifications and Actions. This is where the detailed controls live. You will see categories like Achievements, Game Invites, Messages, and Friend Activity. Toggle each one off if you no longer want those pop-ups. Make sure to inspect per app or per game entries because some titles send separate alerts. Mute them individually for granular control. Once you change a toggle, the system saves it, so you can refine what stays visible without affecting other notification types. Finish by confirming your toggles and then testing. Ask a friend to send a message or invite to confirm those specific alerts are silenced. If you still see notifications, sign out and back in or perform a full restart to apply changes system-wide. Make sure to power cycle the console. Hold the front Xbox button for 10 seconds if odd behavior persists. That clears cached settings and often resolves lingering notifications. If problems continue, recheck per app settings and repeat the restart.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.